In this video, I will guide you on how to start your first YouTube channel with the updated YouTube rules in 2024. I will cover key areas including how to create a Gmail account, how to log into YouTube using your Gmail account, best niches to earn money through YouTube, how to set up your YouTube channel settings, how to upload videos, how to optimize your videos for SEO. Even if you are a complete beginner, these steps will help you to create a perfect YouTube channel on your own. Let's go through each step by step. Step number 1, creating a Gmail account. This is a very simple and easy task for you. Just Google create a Gmail account and go to the Google account sign in page. Now click on create account. Enter your first name and your last name. Here enter your birth date, month and year. Select your gender. Now click on create your own Gmail address. Enter a password of your choice and confirm it. You can skip or add a regular email address. Finally, click on I agree. Now you have successfully created your Gmail account. Let's see how to use this email address to create a YouTube account. In order to create a YouTube account, you need to go to the YouTube website. Type youtube.com on your search bar. Now you can see sign in option on the top of your right side. Click on that. Now you will take to the dashboard to select your Gmail account. Select your newly created Gmail account and password in order to sign into your YouTube account. On the top corner of your right side, you can see your email address as well. Now we are ready to create a YouTube channel. First, click on your profile picture located just below your email address and select the option to create a channel. In the pop-up box, add your channel name and also a profile photo for your channel. You can Google website like Pixabay to download a photo for your profile picture, and you can edit through Canva. Then click on create channel. This action will take to your channel's home page. You can see the channel home page like this. Next, you need to set up your channel settings. Click on Customize Channel. Under the Branding tab in the Customization section, you can add a profile picture, banner image and watermark. We already added profile picture, so you can add your banner image and watermark. You can edit your banner image through Canva. Under the Basic Information section, you can add a brief description about your channel and include your channel link. This helps viewers understand about what is your channel is about and provides a easy way for them to visit your channel directly. If you are unsure how to create a pop-up subscription link, make sure to watch my video on that topic for a step-by-step guide. Finally, remember to select the publish button to complete this process. Let's move to add channel settings. First, click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of your screen. Select YouTube Studio from the options. On the bottom left side of your screen, you will find settings option. Under the settings menu, you can add your country and keywords related to your niche. For example, if you want to create a channel in travel niche, you might include keywords like channel name first, then travel, best places to travel, and subcategories. In the Advanced Settings tab, select whether your videos are made for kids. Finally, to unlock additional features, you need to verify your phone number. Go to the Features Eligibility section, select your country and enter your mobile number. Click on Get Code to receive a verification code and enter it to verify your channel. With these steps, you have successfully set up your channel settings. Before uploading videos to your channel, we want to make sure that in which niche you are going to upload videos. I will tell you top 10 niches to start your channel. Finance niche, make money online, entertainment, health, cooking, vehicle, education, gaming, challenge, travel. After selecting your niche, you can start creating videos tailored to your audience. You can edit videos through CapCut, VDC, Adobe Premiere Pro and Miskit also. Now we are ready to upload our video to our YouTube channel. In the top right corner, you will see a camera icon. Click on it and select Upload Video. Import your video, and once you have added your video to the channel, firstly you will see video's title like this. If you are unsure about how to add the title, search for similar videos on YouTube to get an idea. In the description box, explain what your video is about. You can use ChatGPT to generate a description and edit as you need. You can add 3 hashtag keywords in the description box. Shall we add at the bottom side? Adding 3 keywords in the description box help YouTube to boost your video in the right audience. Next, designing an eye-catching thumbnail for your video. You don't need to install editing softwares in the PC. Using cloud-based softwares like Photopea, Canva, you can create a nice thumbnail. Next is creating a playlist. If you have similar type of video, you can create a playlist. This is beneficial to get more views for your similar type of videos. Now we will move to Audience tab. Selecting the right audience for your video is crucial, whether it's made for kids or adults. Here you need to select altered content. If your video includes AI generated content, you need to select yes. Here you can add tags for your uploaded video. You have up to 500 words to use as tags when adding keywords. If you haven't installed the Social Blade extension and TubeBuddy software, download and integrate those with your YouTube account. These tools helps analyze SEO count and discover effective keywords. Look at similar video to guide your keyword choices. When you add keywords, you can start by adding your channel name first, then niche, topic, and subcategories until you reach the 500 words limit. Then copy these keywords and paste them at the bottom side of description box to maximize your SEO score. Before publishing, make sure to unlisted your video. Then you can check the accuracy of the details and settings. Then to make further edits, go to the content section, click on the details button of your uploaded video and verify the title, description, tags, and other settings. On the right side of your screen, you will see an in-screen option. You can use this option to link to the previous uploaded video, which can help you to increase views on your channel. Following this guideline, make sure to save your information. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, subscribe our channel, comment below if you have any questions. I'll see you next time.